Once upon a time, there was a village. In this village, there were about 100 people. These people were taking care of their gardens and houses and farm animals. There was one peculiar boy. What will we call him? We can call him Jason. So Jason was a bit of a troublemaker. He was the herd of the sheep of the village, so he took care of every lost sheep that didn't have an owner. Now, one day, Jason was bored. He decided to make a little bit more drama in his life, if we can call it so. Now, Jason had heard stories about a really, really huge evil wolf going around and hunting years ago. So he started to cry, "Wolf, wolf, wolf." People in the villagers got alarmed. They ran out of their houses with every weapon they could find. But when they saw that Jason had cried wolf and there wasn't a wolf, they got angry, lectured him, and then went home. Jason's parents, his mother and father, was disappointed in him. Jason just rolled his eyes and kept counting sheep and taking them back to the other sheep. He tried again to get attention. He was an attention seeker. Jason cried, "Wolf, wolf, wolf," again. Once again, people ran out with their weapons, just in case. But again, there was no wolf. People were mad this time. They said that Jason should shut up and mind his own business and do what he's told, otherwise he would be kicked out of the village. A bit taken aback, Jason went quiet, said sorry to everyone, and kept hurrying to the evening. That evening, Jason heard something in the dark forest. Just then, right then, a sheep ran away from the other sheep. So Jason made sure the sheep stayed where they were, and he went after the sheep that ran away into the woods. And then that's when he heard it, the cold blood dripping. Oh! But much louder. It came closer and closer, a dark shape from the woods. The sheep ran into the woods, and Jason could hear the cold dripping scream from the sheep and teeth crashing bones. Jason cried, "Wolf, wolf, wolf," but this time nobody believed him, not even his parents. Jason tried to save the sheep. Sadly, the wolf attacked Jason. Jason screamed, "Wolf, help! Help me!" No one batted an eye to that. He tried to fight back, but he couldn't. Years later, after the accident, the new person who herded the sheep was clever enough and much more afraid, so he never cried wolf. Until this day, we could hear his screams, Jason screams, shouts, and the wolf